Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm gonna make a super good pasta salad. That's what I heard, it's super good. Let's make it. First I'm gonna grate one large carrot. Now I'm gonna slice one celery stalk. This is an 8-ounce block of cheddar cheese. I'm cutting it into little cubes. I'm using 16 ounces of Rotini noodles. That's the curly noodles. I'm going to boil them up, and I'm adding a little bit of salt to the water. I'm going to cook them according to the package directions for al dente, which is 9 minutes. In a large bowl, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Now I'm going to whisk this together. Now I'm going to add my noodles. My noodles are completely cooled. I'm going to add my chunks of cheese. Here's my celery. Here's my carrot. And now, before I forget, 10 ounces of frozen thawed peas. Now I'm going to cover it up with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator overnight, or at least 4 hours. So here's my pasta salad. It came out really good. It kind of reminded me of the pasta salad from a Hawaiian barbecue restaurant. It was yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.